Hi, this is William here, and today we're going to talk about Quick Start Guide for Custom Reporting in Google Analytics. Google Analytics Quick Start Guide for Custom Reporting. And this guide will walk you through how to get from conceptualizing your custom report to actually building it. If this is your first time learning about custom reporting, I suggest reading this introduction in Google Analytics/bin first to get a good idea of the concepts and the terminology involved in this feature. So first off, we're going to talk about designing your custom report, building your custom report, and viewing your reports. So before building your own custom report, there are a few guidelines to keep in mind. First, it's important to have a general outline of how the data should be presented in your reports. What kind of dimensions do you want to categorize the metrics into? And do you want your reports to only display metrics? Once you have a general outline drawn, start playing with the different dimensions and metric pieces and create a test report so that you can see how the report would look once it's completed. Building your custom report, you can reference the step-by-step instructions and sample report on the next slide as you build a custom report. So as an example, at the top of the page, the first item is to name your report. Click on the title field and begin typing. The second thing is you want to select the dimensions and metrics you want in your report. The third is in the very middle, and you want to drag and drop your selected dimensions. A report with dimensions must always have metrics. And the fourth is just above it is drag and drop your selected metrics. Unlike dimensions, a custom report can contain just metrics. And then 5, which is above 4, add and name your tabs here. Although they will contain the same dimensions, you can add and rearrange new metrics for each one. And then click 6 to finish, to create report to finish. The basics: navigating to the Create New Custom Report page and naming your reports. Log in your Google Analytics account, select the account you want to create a custom report in, then click View Reports from any of your profiles. Please note that it doesn't matter which profile you select from. You can access your custom reports from any profile within your account. Then select Custom Reporting from the left-hand navigation bar. On the Custom Report Overview page, click Create New Custom Report. Name the report. We suggest that you make it simple yet easily identifiable title for your custom report so that you can pick it out from a list quickly. Dimensions. Dimensions are the categories that the data in your reports fall under. You're limited to selecting 5 dimensions, one for your top-level table segment and up to 4 dimensions to drill down to. So log into your Google Analytics account, select the account you want to create a custom report in, click View Reports, select Custom Reporting from the left-hand navigation bar, or on the Custom Reporting Overview page, click Create New Custom Report. Name the report. We suggest you make a simple yet easily identifiable title for your custom report so that you can pick it out from a list very quickly. Metrics. Before you build a custom report, first review the start to see which combinations of dimensions and metrics are allowed. Select from a category of metrics: site usage, content, goals, e-commerce, and advertising. Drag and drop each metric into the blue dotted fields labeled metric. To undo this selection, simply click X on the metrics key. You had an option to create a new tab once you've done organizing your dimensions and metrics. For example, if you wanted to separate the data in the report by cities, you could create new tabs and label them Paris, Tokyo, etc. The dimensions you picked for your first tab will stick to the same structure across all tabs. Although you're only allowed to create 5 tabs per report, you can add different metrics for each tab, which means you can have continual columns of different metrics for one report. Once you finish, click Report. Save. Once you've completed building your custom report, the data will populate immediately. The graph is defaulted to plot the first metric you choose for the tab in your custom report. If you'd like to see different metrics or compare them against each other, please follow these steps. First off, click the metric pull-down menu from the graph by feature at the top of your report. Select the metric or metrics you want to graph by. For a full explanation on what one metric, compare to metrics, and compare to site means, visit How Do I Compare Different Metrics or Data Ranges for a single report. To edit your report after you saved it, you can always click Edit the Report right on the report itself, or navigate back to the Overview page and click Edit from the list of saved reports. This concludes the presentation on Quick Start Guide for Custom Reporting. This is William, and we'll see you the next time.